GM is located in Detroit, Michigan. It has employees all around the world. We have over 155,000 employees across 6 continents, 22 different time zones, speaking 75 different languages, and supporting a vast supplier and dealer network. We have a vision of a world with 0 crashes, 0 emissions, and 0 congestion. Our employees make that a reality through the vehicle electrification program, through the vehicle safety program, and finally citizenship, defined as GM being the world's most inclusive company. At GM, we are committed to safety in everything we do. We translate breakthrough technology into vehicles and capabilities that people love. This is the National Institute of Standards of Technology. They have a cybersecurity framework, which is the industry standard for measuring security maturity. We use that to measure ourselves on how successful we are in implementing the program. So just like GM, being a historic company with 100+ years of automotive experience, we too have had a historic relationship with the SailPoint leaders, even under different products from different companies, for instance, like WaveSat. I think like all of you, we experienced a traumatic last year where we went from one day where less than 10% of the GM workforce typically worked at home to over 90% worked at home all the time. And able to meet that challenge, we had to rapidly deploy solutions around directory consolidation, solutions around increasing capabilities and proxies and gateways. We had to also leverage automations that we had in SailPoint around our joiner, mover, lever operations to ensure people had the same level of access that they had when they were on-site as they did off-site. The identity organization also has goals around 0 trust, 0 deficiencies, and 0 disruptions. As we strive to earn our customers for life, the best thing we can do is build a strong foundation, and we're doing that with SailPoint. So today we're really focused on how do we minimize certification fatigue. We ask managers to manually approve information we already have in IT systems. What systems does a user have access to? What's the risk level to these systems? Do other people in that group have access? We already have all this information in our IT systems. So we're really excited with SailPoint's AI capabilities, which will help us auto-approve those based on risk, and then allow the managers to focus on their innovation goals and help the company achieve their business goals. GM has invested heavily in big data, artificial intelligence to develop a culture of data-based decision-making. We think now that SailPoint has similar capabilities that we can leverage those to meet our business goals. At GM, as the company focuses on vehicle electrification and vehicle autonomy, identity has even become more important. We now have joint venture teams helping us collaborate with companies like Cruise and BrightDrop. In addition, to support our Work Appropriate initiative, we have more people working remotely. So collaboration is becoming more and more challenging, but with our identity capabilities, we're ready. At GM, we stand together to drive the company forward, everybody in.